Hey everybody, it's Christopher Small from CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Today, I want to talk to you about whether or not a revocable living trust gives you asset protection. Before I do that though, I want to remind you, if you have questions about this or anything else related to estate planning or probate and you want to talk to us, then you can go to estatemeeting.com. Set up a time to talk with us over the phone or in person for free, estatemeeting.com. Okay. Does a revocable living trust give you asset protection? The short answer, to let the cat right out of the bag at the beginning, is no, it does not. There's a reason why though, and it makes sense if you think about it. So the beauty of a revocable living trust is that it provides you with the ability to avoid probate. It provides you with the ability to have long-term oversight and management over your assets after you are gone, and it also allows you to provide some asset protection for your future beneficiaries. It does not, however, give you any asset protection, and there's a really big reason why. And if you had asset protection, then you would lose this other benefit. So the beauty of a revocable living trust is that while you are alive, you can modify the trust. You can change the beneficiaries of the trust. You can move property in and out of the trust. You can change the distribution schedule of the trust. You can blow the whole trust up and get rid of it if you want. You can do anything that you want. Because you have such a high level of control and a high level of flexibility, the downside is you don't get any asset protection. Where asset protection comes in trust planning is when you put assets into trusts that you have no control over, that you cannot change down the road, that you cannot alter. Because you lose that control and that flexibility, you gain asset protection. So there are sort of like two sides of a coin. So the revocable living trust is sort of where everybody starts when it comes to estate planning. It's a good idea if you have beneficiaries that you don't want to have assets to go to right away, like children. It's also a good idea if you want to avoid probate and you have property in multiple states, things like that. Businesses are also a good reason to get a trust, but you don't get the asset protection that you might want with a revocable living trust. The reason for that is because of the limitless control and flexibility that you have over the trust. You can do anything that you want while you're alive, and no one can tell you differently. Okay, so the short answer is, again, to recap, no, you do not get asset protection with a revocable living trust. All right, I hope this was helpful. If it was, you want to hit the like button, do that. If you have a question or comment, please leave it. If you know someone that needs to hear this, please share it with them. If you have more questions or you think you might want to get a trust or talk about estate planning or probate in general, you can go to estatemeeting.com and set up a time to talk with us over the phone or in person for free. estatemeeting.com. Okay, I'm Christopher Small. I'm the owner of CMS Law Firm. We do estate planning, we do probate, we do it well. Thank you for your time. Thank you for your attention. I appreciate you, and I will talk to you again soon.